Do you have a dog but barely have time to clean your yard? Between work, kids, errands, and life, scooping up the dog poop is usually the last thing anybody wants to deal with. And that's exactly why we're here. At Kroopin Scoopin, we provide professional dog poop removal services in Michigan. Here are the services we offer so you can choose what fits your family the best. We offer one-time dog poop cleanups. If your yard needs a quick refresh, maybe a special event, you sold your home, or maybe life just got busy, this option gets your yard back in shape fast. For homes with multiple dogs or heavier buildup, we offer twice-a-week dog poop removal services. This keeps your yard consistently clean and helps reduce multiple dog odor. Our most popular option is weekly dog poop removal. Perfect for our busy pet owners who want their yard maintained regularly without having to think about it. We also offer bi-weekly dog poop removal services, a great option for homes with lighter waste accumulation that still want dependable, routine cleanings. And when the winter hits and waste builds up underneath the snow, we offer spring cleaning, a seasonal deep cleaning service. This one-time visit clears months worth of accumulated dog waste, bacteria, and odor. This will get your yard fresh and ready for spring no matter which service you choose. Our team is professional, background checked, and committed to keeping your yard dog poop free. If you're ready to stop worrying about the dog poop in your yard and start enjoying it again, click the link down below to request a free quote or give us a call at 734-658-1246 to learn more.